Okay, I will do this lesson as both a lesson and an exercise in one ha. I'll draw the bear like this, using only circular shapes. Okay. Okay, look carefully. I'll start now. Then go back to the main home menu, then go to the folder. Now I will create a new file, named map. And I will select the file. Okay, give it any name. So here I will work directly with Python a bit. So here I will use Python, but before that I will use Blockly to define it. The round shape is great. It's easy, it's very easy to have a round shape. Circle no, nothing is smooth. My job is to draw many circles at a certain location, so here I will use function. Okay. Called xy. Then I will create one. Yes, usually we will use r. Okay, so here will be the variable r. Yeah. And q. Then that's right. Okay, let me call it. Then that's right. Okay, let me call it. Okay, let me call it. Okay, let me call it. There you are, so this is the value. I'll drag this in. Okay, yeah. It's easy. So I need to know the color, right? So here I will switch to Python to make it easier, okay. Switch to Python. Full. We'll use command, so here variable r and variable cl here. Cl, it's like that here. We'll move this down, move up, and so here is C. Okay, it's just that it's no longer the same. I will need to draw this in some position. For example, CL at position F is Y. But where can I take it? -50 minus 50, no minus in Goha, and here I will use it. Okay. Next I just need to copy this. Control C, then I'll Control V, and here I'll draw the shape at 60. Right at that location. Okay, it's very easy. And guys, here I can draw this. Minus plus. Don't go here. Yeah, I drew this. and you guys adjust. So please complete the exercise yourself. Exercises are below. Exercise in this one. And remember to use that code to complete this exercise. It's very simple.